Got a delivery today, got a couple of motors. This is a front drive from Model S, which I'm going to be putting into the rear of the green Samba. And then this one is for another project, which I'll explain later. But at least now I've got this so I can model it and I can get it put into the bus. Also, I can show you how I've redesigned the mounts because I'm actually going to take this thing. It normally just tips up at a 45 when it's in the Model S. I'm going to bring it all the way up to 90 so I can push it way into the front of the bus. It'll take less room, but I do need to adjust the mounts for doing that so that all the torque is in the right place. So I'm going to show you how I'm mounting this. So here's the front drive motor from a Model S. So what I did is a rough scan of the engine compartment in the bus, and that's what this is. It doesn't have to be super clean, it just needs to be to scale because I'm taking a bunch out. So here's the drive unit now, but by moving it up to vertical, I get a lot more space to use inside the car. The motor's gonna sit here, we'll have our axles here, and this area will turn into a nice little trunk space. But what I had to do was to change the engine mounts. So now that I've flipped the motor up, I need to come up with a different bracket. So I made this new bracket sit here, and that way when the rubber mounts are here, it's gonna react against that shaft. And here's the other side, it's the same thing. This bracket, which used to sit at that angle, now is here and is about this axle. So the same thing, that reaction will be around the axle and not causing the whole thing to wag. So the way I like to attack things is with proper engineering. Because I'm really about the details, I wanna make sure that this thing is reacting against this shaft and not anything else. So this white part is the bracket that I'm gonna make over on the plasma cutting machine. So I'll be making these two brackets out of 1/4" steel. And I prefer not to weld. I prefer to bend whenever possible. It's best to, whenever possible, do the bend. It's also quicker and you end up with a better, stronger result. It looks like it's gonna fit great. It's gonna be a great little install and easy, which is what I like. So that's where we stand now on the Samba. We'll be doing another episode where it goes in, so stay tuned in for that, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you found this useful. Like and subscribe. Write me, let me know your thoughts, and if you have questions, put them in the comments. I'll do my best to get to everyone. Ciao for now.